Welcome to my channel. I need to retire that, but we'll save that for another time. Today we're gonna be doing the Cancer Zodiac look. I'm very excited. It took me a lot of brain power to come up with this idea. Like, I think I lost quite a few brain cells in the process just because I was thinking so hard and I just couldn't come up with anything. Just because I didn't want it to be too similar to the Pisces look because they're both water signs and I didn't want them to be both inspired by the ocean, you know? So I ended up deciding to focus more on the moon because the ruling planet, I know it's not a planet, but the ruling the ruling planet for Cancer is the moon. So I decided to take some inspiration from the moon and just make this kind of like a moon inspired Cancer look. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be using face paints, I know, wild. And I also look really gross because I've been really depressed, but I needed to film. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe 35V. I'm gonna actually start by sanitizing our hands. I bought 2 giant bottles of Purell and literally I was so excited when they came. Dude. So we're gonna start by priming our faces. I'm being so fucking weird. I'm not normally like this. I really hope this isn't the first video of mine that you're watching because I'm not like this. So I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna do the face paint before I do my face makeup because I want it to look like it's like underneath my skin and it's gonna be like breaking out. I'm breaking out. Fuck. So I don't know if it's gonna be like shaded in. So I'm taking the Mehron Paradise AQ pastel palette. I got it from Amazon, so it might be fake, but I don't think it is because I bought it from like the Mehron. I don't even know how you say it. Amazon store. So I don't know, it could be fake. I don't really care. I'm gonna start with this lovely blue shade and I'm just spraying some Bday facial spray into it to activate it. So like the goal here is we're gonna do like a galaxy looking thing. So what's up? I actually learned that I am a Cancer rising. My ascendant sign is a Cancer. So that means that people, so your rising sign like dictates how other people see you. So other people see me as having Cancer personality traits, which we'll go over. I feel like in all my Zodiac videos, I start talking about the Zodiac right in the beginning. By the end of the video, I have nothing to talk about. So I'm thinking ahead. My camera's gonna die. Thinking ahead. Now I'm gonna take the purple shade. Those are gonna be the colors that we're focusing on. Cancer colors are like pastel, blue, purple, and like green. Those are kind of the Cancer colors. And also just like whites and silvers and stuff. And we're doing this while the blue is still wet so that we can still like blend them into each other a little bit. But we still want purple to have her time to shine and we want blue to have her time to shine. We just want to make sure that there's a time where they both blend together. Yeah, that made sense. August.
Oh wait, fuck, I forgot.
Can you go?
Yeah. Can I be part of the video?
No.
Will you include this in the video?
Probably not.
The longer I stay here, the higher chance I have of being in the video. What's up? I'm a little blurry.
Oh my god, kill yourself. You're staying in here?
Yeah, I am.
Bye, ugly.
See ya. Love you.
Love you. Oh shit, yeah, it has to be bigger than what the moon is gonna be. We're gonna put a moon there. I know, isn't that crazy? Isn't that just wild? I know. And now we're gonna let that dry a little bit and we're gonna start on our eye makeup. So we're gonna prime our eyelids and now I can tell you a little bit about Cancers. I know that you guys have been patiently waiting, so. The one thing that people tell me about Cancers is that they're so freaking emotional and I haven't really noticed that in Cancers, but I suppose it can be true. I just like know them to be kind of moody because their ruling planet is the moon and moons move through phases that kind of like reflects Cancer Zodiac, if that makes any sense. So like I see them as being moody, not necessarily like emotional in like a sad way. But also a lot of places were saying that they're super like sentimental. I can see that. There's just like a caring energy about them, which is like good. Respect. So I'm gonna take the Morphe 35V and I'm gonna take this like purple shade. I didn't know what to do because I'm the kind of person that likes to have like really defined crease moments, you know? That was way too high up. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm the kind of person that likes to have like defined crease moments, but when you're doing a Zodiac that like the colors are pastel, kind of gets stuck, no cap. as I like to say. The #1 reason why I hate filming in the summer is because I have to turn off my AC and I get really hot. But anyway, a lot of people were saying that since cancers are emotional, I should do like tears or something. But I think I'm just gonna do like rosy cheeks because I feel like that more shows like emotional and like vulnerability than like crying does. Because I don't know if all cancers necessarily cry. I don't know, I just like to be like open. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Jawbreaker palette and I'm gonna take the shade Brain Freeze, which is the baby blue. Now I'm gonna gonna go into the primary color, Maron palette, and I'm gonna work on the moon. I don't know why I just did one eye, but I feel like it's dry now, so I should just go for it. I'm just gonna start with a dot and then build it up. We'll come back to shading. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. We're gonna go back and we're gonna shade the moon once it's dry. Yellow eye maybe? That went relatively smoothly. Now we're gonna take that purple and blend in the edges. I still need to figure out how I'm gonna incorporate like white. White is like literally an integral color, but I don't really want to do like white liner because I feel like white liner just always looks bad. You can do a good line and everything, but it'll just still look bad. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't hit. It doesn't hit the way black eyeliner does. Once you go black, you never go back, bro. This looks so similar to the fucking Pisces look. I think I'm gonna do this color from the James Charles palette on my lid. That might look cool. I don't know, this is way too turquoise, bro. I think I'm literally just gonna have to just do this whole thing again, but with a lighter blue. Okay, I'll come back with that done. Literally just the same thing, but change the crease color. I'm just dumb, and I don't know why. So, I also filled in my eyebrows and put on lashes off camera. Oh. I used the Ardell Professional Studio Effects 231s, and I bought them because they looked like really nice online. And then it says on here that it's like two different kinds of lashes like together pushed into one, and one of them is the Ardell 113, so that makes sense why I like them so much. Now I think I'm gonna start shading the moon. I'm gonna set it with a white eyeshadow just so that we can blend other eyeshadows on top of it and it'll like blend easier. Alright, so maybe I should I'll take the Jawbreaker and I'll take the Brain Freeze shade that I used in my crease so that it'll like tie together. The moon has like bumps, but I like don't know how to draw them and I'm like scared. So I'm gonna try and find like a gray. I could, wait, why don't I just like mix black and the white from this palette together? Literally scrape it out. Alright, I ended up using like a silver eyeliner and put that where I had initially put that blue eyeshadow to like shade it. Now in the light you can kind of see like the crescent, I don't know. So now I'm gonna do my face makeup and I'll tell you more about Cancers, like actually this time, because I can actually talk now. They're really sensitive, emotional, caring. I read a lot of things that said that they're very intuitive, so that's interesting, I guess. I feel like I just have so much on my plate this summer and I just like can't get it all done, and I was gonna focus a lot on YouTube this summer, but then I had well, I still do. I still have other things to do. So I'm just like hella stressed out and I don't know what to do. That's not on that. I think I should also do stars in this little area. And I might do like white freckles over the like pink blush spot that I'm gonna do. That will tie in the white. Under eyes done. Now the hard part will be getting around this and my eyebrows. So wish me luck. Maybe I'll like shade it a little bit. I don't have fucking gray eyeshadow. I don't know why that is. So I guess I'll just use black and go really lightly. This is not fun. Oh, I didn't put concealer on the lower half of my face. So now I'm gonna do the like blush thing that I wanted to try. I'm gonna use Too Faced How Deep Is Your Love, and I'm gonna take this brush, which will apply it lightly so that I don't accidentally go overboard, which I know that I will. I don't like it like that. Use this brush that will literally just pack it on. For the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna do the purple and then blend that out with the same blue, and then on the inner corner I'll probably put that, or maybe I'll do like some glitter or something. Also, Cancers are very spontaneous because of the moon phases. Like they're kind of moody, but they're also spontaneous and unpredictable, you know? My eyes are gonna be so stained after this. I'm doing it for you, Cancer. You better give this video a thumbs up or else I will personally come to your house and just cry in your face. I also need to like contour my face like a normal person because I kind of look like a crackhead. Now I can do freckles and like stars and shit. Cancer's got special treatment. Y'all got like face paint and freckles. This is like very extravagant. I feel like I've been working on this for like 2 hours. Gang shit. I'm gonna put this on my lower lash lines, and then for highlight, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use Starburst from the Sugar Glow Kit. I haven't used this in so long, but I feel like it'll blend nicely with the blush. So for lips, I have no idea. You just do lip gloss. Y'all gonna hate this, maybe? I feel like that could look cute. Oh, I need to do inner corner. Okay, so I could do Heavy Metal glitter liner, or I could do the same color that I put on my lid. I think I'm gonna do the same color that I put on my lid, honestly. Tie it all together. It needs to be a little bit lighter. I might like get a white in there. The shade at the top, I don't know what that's called. That in the very inner corner. I also need to find some place to write 69. That's their little symbol. Maybe I'll do it in like white. I'm very scared. Where do I do it? Like here? I'm gonna do it like right below. Dude, sex! Alright, so that's my motherfucking Cancer look. I finally finished. Kinda looks whack, kinda looks good. Can't decide if I like it or not. But we're here, we're queer, and we're fucking done. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, suck my dick, and happy birthday to all of the Cancers out there. I love you, even though you don't all have the same birthday. Just like happy birthday, like, because it's yours. Zodiac season. Okay, bye.
Tell me that I'm an idiot, you know that you'll be lying. What?